Alrighty guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you a quick way to make some quick cash from home, make money fast from home. And since the holidays are coming up, this is going to be good for you for that. You'll be able to make some quick extra cash so you can spend it on your family and your friends for the holidays, okay? Alrighty guys, I'm going to get you started on that right about now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. In this video, like I said, I'm going to show you a quick way to make some quick money from home online so you can have some extra spending money for the holiday season this year, okay? Since it's coming up here pretty quick. This is what, early November the 5th, and we're getting close here, okay? Alrighty guys, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com. And if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been to my videos or my channel before, and you haven't yet subscribed yet, boy, I can't tell what's keeping you. Just reach down there below and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here, okay? Alrighty guys, with that out of the way, kind of anxious to show this to you. This is similar site to the last video I did on how to go to the website where it says getpaid2.com. Only this site is a little bit better in terms of faster ways of making money and more money, okay? Alright, so we're going to come over here to our favorite Opera browser and pop that up, and what we see here is a site called Creations Rewards. Creations Rewards, you see here. If you look up in the address bar here, it's creationsrewards.net, okay? Alright, so it's free to join this site, and look here, you get a $5 bonus just for joining this site. That's to jumpstart you right off the bat there. One of the reasons I like this one a little bit better than the last site. Either one of them, actually you could sign up for both the sites, in this video and the last video I posted before this one, and you can double your money, okay? It's something to think about there. Alright, so anyways, you come here, and it's similar. You do you can get free cash gift cards. You do like surveys and videos, visit websites, online shopping. The nice one about here, this one you can get cash rebates back for shopping at sites that you normally do, and I'll show you some of those that are related to this as well. And complete special offers, and then they also have a affiliate program here too, you see. Alright, now this site's pretty legit. Been around since 2000, 18 years strong they've been around. This is a pretty good site. Now, some of those things you can earn cash back for online shopping, it says right down here. It's like a rebate on each purchase, and if you can see here, let me try to zoom this in a little bit here so you guys can see this just a little bit here. Come up just a little bit closer here with this. There we go. And you can see right here that they work with Walmart, JCPenney, Best Buy, Dunkin' Donuts, imagine that. Freeze Defense, don't know what that is. Michael's, Office Depot, and Office Max. Payless, Sam's Club, Staples, Newegg. If you buy computer parts, Newegg is a good site I'm sure you're probably familiar with, and you can get a cash rebate back as well as earn some points on this site for shopping through this site and this link right here. And Joann.com, Disney Store, Petco for animal supplies, Pier 1 Imports, Vitamin Shop, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Personal Creations, Home Shopping Network, Bosco's Department Store, Choice Hotels, and even AutoZone. Whenever you buy auto parts to work on your car, get a rebate back and make points through on this website. So if you're going to do some shopping on any one of these stores, you want to make sure that you come and click on their link on this site and shop from this site at those stores to get your rebate and get your points as well. So for earning points, you can take daily surveys, shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers, and much more. There is always something to do and earn points here. We recommend logging in daily, it says. And redeem your points for free gift cards to your favorite stores such as Amazon or Walmart, or you can redeem your points for cash through PayPal. All right. So if you don't have a PayPal account, again, it's easy enough to go to paypal.com and sign up for free using a good email address. And then I recommend also putting in using your email address here when you join. Use your PayPal email address so that it makes it easier for them to get your money to your PayPal account. All right. Now, the only difference here is between this and the get paid to on the other video. They will allow you to send your money directly to your bank account that way too. I don't think that that's available on this site. Now, the other site was available worldwide. This site looks like it's available just in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia at this point. Doesn't mean they won't add more places in the world as time goes on, but I mean, you could try if you're in other parts of Europe or Asia. You could probably try and see what happens, but as of right now, it looks like it's just these 4 countries right here. Okay, but anyways, nevertheless, you come here and just to get signed up, click on here and fill this out: email address, your password, confirm. Check the little I'm not an electronic freaking gadget thing here again. I don't know why they put these up here, but it's I guess to keep people up above board, make sure everything's up above board, I guess. Check that and then click register now, and then you agree to their terms and policy while you're registered too. So, and then of course once you get signed in, you can do lots of different things. Now I want to come over here to their well, let's check out how it works here, see if it shows us anything here. Been a rewarding member since 2000. Online rewards program you can earn for free gift cards, doing what you already do online, like taking surveys, watching videos, and so on and so forth. And then, you know, it shows you more here what you can do. Now, I'm going to come back to the frequently asked questions here, where we can find out some more information about this particular site here. Now, they have lots of different things, as you can see. Earn points over here on the left, the columns here, and you can redeem your points. They have a daily goal bonus that you can get involved in. They got a daily trivia game. This site has a whole lot more ways to earn on this site than the other one. That's one of the things I like about this, and I'll point out something else that's even better to you about this site than get paid to. And up here, of course, is your daily goal, and earn a daily bonus, extra bonus points here. And each day that you come and click and sign in and log into your account. All right, so it's easy to earn here. Let's click on the Learn More right here, and we'll see about this. Doing daily surveys. Click on surveys, and you see they have daily surveys, and there's a lot of them here. I'm going to zoom back out so we can see this a little bit better here. Come back to the 100% zoom out here, and you can see that how many points each survey gives you here. I mean, just in these surveys here, you can earn probably, it looks like, over 1,000 points easy just by doing these surveys. Now, you can't do these same surveys twice in one day, but you can come back the next day and do the same survey. Okay, it says points are awarded within 24 hours of surveys you qualify to complete. Listed below can be completed once per day. So you see here, you can do these surveys each day, these same surveys, and you're looking at over 1,000 points right there just out of these amount of surveys that they have right here. All right, so that's one way to earn quite a few points. They have daily videos. And then they have the offer wall, where you can fill out offers for sweepstakes, trials, videos, and many more types of offers. And this says here, this section can earn you thousands of points very fast. And then they have, of course, shopping online, which I told you about, where you can get cash rebates back plus earn points all at the same time if you come and click on the place you want to shop through this website here, right? And then website visits, you can visit websites, and you can see here some of their different websites that you can visit and watch videos and earn lots of points that you can redeem with cash through this way as well by watching videos and exploring websites. All right, so and then now here's they got an affiliate program here, like I was telling you earlier, and you can refer friends and family and anybody that signs up under you, and you'll earn 10% of the points that they earn with this website as well for the life of their account. And so that's a pretty cool feature. Just and they had that on the other Get Paid To one as well. And you can win, and there's promo points, and for daily trivia games, probably similar like the daily goal up here that you see for extra points and bonuses. And then you can redeem your points for gift cards and or cash. And if you look here now, 1,000, what was it? I think it was on Get Paid To was 5,000 points was equal to $1. On this site, if you look right here, 1,000 points only is equal to $5 for 1,000 points. So that's what I like about this site. You can earn a lot more quicker. So that's one great thing about this. They've got more ways to earn on this site, and for just 1,000 points, it's $5 a pop, and you can knock that out and probably make some pretty good sized chunks of money pretty quick on this website right here. So that's some of the things and how you can earn money here and shop and so on and so forth. And then on some of their frequently asked questions here, if we come down here and you can see what is Creations Rewards. It's a online rewards program, reward for things you already do online, earn Creation Reward points for taking surveys and so on and so forth. And then about the surveys, about videos, promo codes, and redeeming points. And it says, how do you redeem the points you earn? Visit the rewards menu in your account, and from there you'll be taken to the rewards page where you can submit your request for the rewards. And it's how many points do I need to redeem for a reward. And as you see here, you need at least 1,000 points, and rewards start at 1,000 points equals $5 as you start right there. So there you can see, guys, this site you could rack up some good holiday money pretty quick. And that's what I wanted to show you today about this really cool site here called Creations Rewards, and how easy it is to get started with this. Unfortunately, at this point, it doesn't look like it's available completely worldwide just yet. Doesn't mean it won't be later, probably, though. But as of right now, we got just these 4 countries listed right here. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I wanted to show you there. Now, if you want to check out the business that I'm involved in, and come over there and click where you see it there at the top of your video there where it says click mentorwithkev.com. You can come over there and check out my #1 business, which is a passive income. And once you get that set up, you can be anywhere in the world and work it, or don't work it if you don't want to, and still make money even while you sleep as well. Alrighty, guys, click that link there, check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here. And I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care, and I'll see you later now. Bye-bye.